Hello, AI is everywhere, and we have started seeing terms like AI, machine learning, generative AI pop up everywhere in the discussions and the different words we use. But do you know actually the meaning and where you're supposed to use them? So, welcome to the AI Explained Simple, and where we are going to tackle 36 terms everyone should understand in 2026. I think you'll find this easier to digest in 2 episodes where you'll go straight forward into defining and explaining what these words mean and how they work. Now, in this episode, we are just going to cover the 36 words such that you know they exist. Then we are going to break it down in episodes. Please follow us. In case you don't see an episode, inbox me. Number 1, artificial intelligence. Number 2, machine learning. Number 3, deep learning. Number 4, neural networks. Number 5, generative AI. Number 6, LLMs, large language models. Number 7, we have tokens. We have 8 parameters. You have heard of training data, training and inference, prompt engineering, context window. We have where they say temperature, AI hallucinations. We have the black box problem. We have fine tuning, embeddings, vector databases. We have RAG, which we call the retrieval augmented generations. We have the AI agents. We have agentic AI. You have heard of tool and function calling. You have heard of MCP, which we call the model context protocol. We have the multimodal AI, where you have small and large. We have reasoning models. We have AI automation, model distillations, quantization. We have open and closed models. We have AI benchmarking. We have bias in AI. We have explainability, which we call XALI. We have data privacy. We have data governance. We have AI governance. A lot. We are going to split those down. And here is what I want you to remember. You don't need to become an AI engineer to understand all these terms. But if you are going to use AI at work or in your day-to-day life, knowing these concepts can help you get the most out of it. Well, explore these concepts together. Let's explore them together one at a time in the episodes that we shall start. And this is going to be the AI Explained Simply.